This hackathon was a fourth hackathon in our series. Last year, that team of students who won the first place, they got really into that startup culture, and one of the students, Minso, she decided to share this experience with the whole school, and she wanted everyone else to experience this. She just asked us, can I run an event like this? And of course, we were really happy to give her the power of organization and help her.
My name is Minso Alexon. I am in grade 11. I have been acting as an organizer for this hackathon. Last year I learned so much through participating in this hackathon. This was an opportunity for me to meet a lot of mentors and really think as a startup.
So first we're going to do a half-baked activity. This is going to be an activity to get you guys warmed up and for you guys to get to know each other as a group.
We wanted our students to have some realistic, authentic context to build on. So our topic was changing BHA community for the better and presenting these ideas to our senior school management.
Student startups are an amazing opportunity for students because we're doing all of this at an early age, and from that we can get more experience.
We had mentors joining us from Seoul and Jeju. The role of the mentors was to help students develop their business ideas. They were there to give feedback and help them improve and think how can they make their businesses better.
Some of them, they really worked on their ideas, developed and pivoted where it's needed. So I think they tried to stay true to their idea, but also consider all the recommendations that the mentors gave. So I think the outcome is really good.
Yesterday, I advised a little bit of things, but with the small ideas, they just improved so much. They came to the final pitch with some very well-crafted ideas and presentations.
According to the school's data, 33% of the students use the cafe during school hours.
We have so many talented students who have exciting ideas, who are able to form their ideas and their thoughts and come up with a really great pitch and a really great product.
Less crowded and shorten the waiting line. We are going to serve a study managing scheduler that can be done as a community.
I can see these kids here are very confident and very upfront, and I really like it. Their ideas are also great.
This is a prototype for the main station, and there are bicycles beside the station that generates electricity.
I'm so excited about their future. Already they built so many things, and later on, I think they're gonna make amazing things.
The judges in the classroom asked about some very interesting questions that we haven't thought while we were working. So it was a really good time to reflect our business skills.
It was a great event. We had a lot of positive feedback from students, and we can't wait to have a new event like this in spring.
I think this was a great experience for all of us, and I hope you take this as your milestone and further develop your interest in business and design.